All right. So yeah, once again, trusty bard wanders onto the scene. Trusty bard. Then I do. And then all right. So yeah. I mean, I guess it's just the nature of this scene that like a lot of stuff is going to be less noticeable. Like the effects don't seem crazy over the top here because like you just don't see stuff as much. But then in another context, go to mountains, uh, Excelsior. Like in another context, it's very bright and it's very distracting, kind of. It's a bit distracting, I guess. It's a little distracting, I would say. Is it that? Actually, no. You know what? It probably looks worse here. Hold on. Let me see what it. I'm gonna move the pink stuff off screen and see what. Sorry, I'm gonna make the screen look weird by showing OBS really big on screen. Uh, Maybe that's okay. It's very eye catching. It's very eye catching, is what it is. So, maybe that's fine. And like, there's supposed to be a lot of fanfare to it. Like, it's supposed to be very. It's supposed to be like very special, like very extra bonusy, over the top, etc. Um, I might want to make the wing so the wing for the all-time top. It's a little bit like it's a little hard to notice that there's supposed to be that like that ornament on it because like the ornament just kind of like reads as like something else kind of. At least that's I don't know. That's kind of like how I'm seeing it. So it kind of looks like there's just something. I don't know. It doesn't necessarily look like. I'm just thinking like maybe I want to change it somehow. And like the first thing that came to mind is I could make the wing dark. Uh, I don't know if that's necessarily better though. To have like, it's like for the all-time top to have like a dark wing, whereas everyone else would have light wings. I can make the other wings like slightly less bright, so I can make it so that like, because like they are very very bright. Um, so yeah, I could just I could keep the all-time top wing as it is, and then just kind of like just ever so slightly dim the other ones. Not so that they look like weird or anything, but just so that the other one looks even brighter in comparison. Because actually, I mean, the wings might actually just be too bright right now. Because like if you look at Lauren, like Lauren is in very like Lauren will come on screen in just a second. Lauren looks very relatively demure, relatively staid. But then where'd Lauren go? All right. Well, there's a bunch of players here apparently, and so Lauren's not coming back. Oh, there's Lauren. Um, yeah, and then that wing is just like super bright. I mean, especially with the blackbird in front of it, like contrasting. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna dial that wing down just ever so slightly. Uh, and then other than that, I'm pretty satisfied with stuff. I think the visual effects for the visual the visual effects. What files do I still have open? I don't need any of these open. The visual effects for some of the stuff is quite. It's noticeable. It is very prominent. Let's call it. But I think that's okay. I think I'm okay with that. Uh, all right. Sorry, I'm just wait. Yeah. I was just. I don't know. I got a notification earlier and it didn't make a sound, and so I'm like, now I'm like nervous that I'm gonna miss notifications if I just don't hear them. But I think everything's okay. Uh, all right. So file open karma all time top singular. No, plural. Excuse me. Yeah. So this is currently like such. Let's just change the brightness and contrast. Not like that. um, let's just drop down the brightness slightly, not by much, and then I can up the no decrease the contrast slightly. Uh, is that too much? Not enough? Up more contrast? Less contrast? Less contrast? Less brightness? less contrast. Uh, that might be okay. Hold on, let me see. That might be slightly too much. But let's try it. Let's see what that looks like. Alright. Oops, I should have, shoot. Alright, just for faster testing, I'm gonna cheat Lauren into the game too. Because Lauren also has a wing, and, I don't feel like letting the script cool down. Not right now. I'll do that later. So I just want to see, yeah. Oops. I should spell Lauren's name correctly, otherwise the cheat won't work. My page up, page down keys are right next to my arrow keys, so when I'm using the arrow keys, I often misclick. Alright. Alright, let's see what this looks like. So this is the darkened version. Oh yeah, I still have the snow cheat on, so wait. Well, I guess, yeah, I can check it in both backdrops. I guess I don't even really need this cheat anymore now that I have the go-to cheat. Alright, so there's if dog then. And there's, yeah, that might be okay. I might have overdone it slightly. I don't know if I want it to be like that different. Or I might, I don't know, let's see it in a different backdrop. Let's go to forest. Excelsior! Yeah, I think that looks pretty good. I think that looks okay. So, cool. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, so maybe I should, I mean, like, I actually really, I very much like how the new wing looks. So I'm thinking maybe I should go back and bring down the brightness and contrast on, like, all of these things. Because, like, it might just be, like, too over the top. Actually, again, yeah, I should, instead of looking at it here, I should look at it in the, sorry, I'm gonna make OBS look funny again. By, by doing this again. Yeah, no, alright, yeah. I think it looks okay. Because, like, those effects really are supposed to bring, attention, I guess, to what's happening with that character. And they're, like, the way they are currently, like, you can still see them in the snow. Let's go back to the snow again. Excelsior. You can still see them in the snow, which was kind of the goal. Like, they're not super obvious, especially, like, the Zephyr isn't quite as obvious in the snow. But, still technically there. And everything's just a little bit more obscured in the snow. So, all right, yeah, I'm gonna say that I'm happy with that for now. I feel like, I should restart the scripts so that other players are in the game. I should take out those cheats so that if Dogman and Lauren are not permanently stuck in the game forever. I should fix OBS so it stops looking so weird. And then I should check out the backlog and see what we've got going on. Alright. Save that. And then, yeah. I think, I don't usually do this, but I think I might take a quick break. I usually, like, do big ol' streams that last all day. But for some reason today, I just, I don't know. I think I could use a quick refresher. So I'm probably going to do that. I will go to the backlog and, like, find something new. But, yeah, like, when I come back. But, sorry, before I do that, I think I'm going to take a brief break. To be honest, I'm going to get something to eat. I'm a little bit hungry. So, as I usually do, I guess I might as well kick it over to... Oh, I don't know anyone in the creative channel. So I guess I would actually be choosing the game dev channel, if anything. But I've been broadcasting creative, so... sorry, I'm probably just going to go cold. But again, yeah, if you guys are here, I'm not going to be gone long. I don't anticipate to be gone long, more than like half an hour or so. So, yeah, if you want to, if you're still around, then I hope to catch you guys in a little bit. Bye. Have a good whatever whatever time of day it is where you are for a little while, and I hope to see you again back here in not too long. So see you guys. See you soon. All right.